Hey, what's up everybody, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to our channel Simple Delicious Eats, and today I'm going to make some stir-fried steak slices together with bell pepper and bok choy, and it's going to be seasoned with light soy sauce and some honey and some ginger as well. So you know that is gonna be a crossover of a Western and Asian flavor. Let's get started. First, I'm going to cut off some of the fat. This is a sirloin steak, but if you would like to use any kinds of steaks, go ahead. It's your preference. Cut the steak into thin slices across the grain. Bell pepper into strips. Half an onion into wedges. Bok choy cut into short sections. For the seasoning, we have some salt, some red pepper flake if you like it to be spicy, some vinegar, honey, and some light soy sauce. So this is going to be the seasoning for the beef, and as you know, this will be sweet and sour because we have vinegar as well as sugar. Alright. As for the beef, after slicing it into thin slices, season it with some salt and some black pepper. Mix and set it aside to marinate for about 15 minutes. Heat some oil to saute the ginger and let it become fragrant and aromatic first before you add the beef. Then we impart the flavor of the ginger into the beef. Now add the beef and to stir fry together with the ginger. Once the beef has turned color, I will remove it from the wok. Now add the bok choy to stir fry until it starts to wilt and become tender. If it is too dry, you can add just a little bit of broth inside. And then the onion. And the bell pepper too. Very colorful. Once done, I'm going to remove it from the wok too. And then I'm going to return the beef back to the wok. Okay, now the beef returned back to the wok. And then add the seasoning ingredients. Now return the vegetables back, and then add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Turn it to high heat and stir fry it for about 10 to 15 seconds to mix everything together, and there it goes. The beef stir fry is done. Okay, let's serve. And you know, I use bell pepper and I use a little bit of beef broth to enhance the flavor. So it's a little bit westernized, but I also add some light soy sauce and bok choy and you know that this is the way it is a hybrid, and I hope you will love this recipe. It's best to serve with steamed rice. This is how to make my beef stir fry today by using my sliced steak together with some bok choy and light soy sauce and some Chinese vinegar. It is really a hybrid combination and I hope you will love it. If you want to get a recipe, I've included in the description right below the video, and I will also add it at the end of these videos for you. And let me know in your comment how it turns out, and I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.